To fix your Wi-Fi network not showing is pretty simple. We first have to navigate to the start menu, which is located here, and tap on it. Then on this interface, I'm going to proceed to tap on my settings. On the left panel, we have a tons of options. I'm going to proceed to tap on network and internet, and this will redirect me to an interface like this with a bunch of menus. So I'm going to scroll down until I locate advanced network settings and tap on it. Beside your Wi-Fi network, on the right side, I'm currently having my enable, so make sure yours is also enabled. And if this method didn't work for you, let's jump into the second method. With the second method, on my start menu again, I'm gonna right click and then proceed to tap on run, and this pop-up menu will appear. In this, I'm gonna type 𝗕𝗲𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗕 and then tap on OK, and this will lead us to an interface like this, which is showcasing all the network's connectivity I'm having. If your Wi-Fi network is disabled, make sure you right click on it and make sure it's enabled. And this is how you can fix your Wi-Fi network not showing. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.